everybody, I'm Annie B, and welcome to my channel. And welcome to the 2025 Jewelry Making Fun Collab. We have some changes this year. Our host has made some changes, and at first I was a little hesitant because I'm color challenged and looking at all the information she sent us, and I think this is going to be helpful for somebody like me who have issues getting their colors and things together. We are using a color cube this year, and I don't know if I'm supposed to mention the person's name or not, but we are using the color cube, and I think it's going to be very helpful. I know what I like, but I can't always get my colors together, so I decided that yeah, I'm excited about this. I want to see where it's going to take us, and we still have the option one and option two. We still have the mandatory colors and things like that. So yeah, I took a stab at it. So hopefully, if I didn't get it right this month, hopefully as we go along into the year, I get better with it. But to me, it turned out really nice. So let me stop talking. Oh, let me tell you the colors though. We can use the colors are lilac green, mint gray, blue gray, steel blue, and charcoal. Now we don't have to use all of these colors. I think I read what we can at least use two of the colors in here. But you will see. I'm not gonna. Spoiler alert. I'm not gonna tell you. But you'll see. Hold on, just a sec. Okay, this is my first piece. I actually made this is a bracelet, and I also made a matching pair of earrings, and I'll get back to those in a minute. Let me just explain these to you. When I decided, since we had the colors, and I told you all I'm challenged with the colors, so what I decided to do was to get a section of chain. Excuse me. And this is what I started out with. This is actually three different set of chains that I use. And this is the middle piece right here. It's actually pieces on a large ring that I had, a large jump ring that I had, and I just wove them all together. And I have a dangle here, and I put all the colors together. And when I put it together, I really wanted to highlight the chain, not just so much as the color, but the chain. And this turned out really nice. It looks pretty good on the wrist. Well, no, it looks good on my wrist. Hold on a sec. Let me show you how it looks on my wrist. Okay, I got it on. I had to use had to look for my little hook because you have to hook it around, to put it on your wrist. So if your hubby isn't around or somebody isn't around, you can't always put it on. So you use your little device. But the way it looks on the wrist, and I think it's pretty. And you know me, I love, 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 love my dangles. So I decided to include this dangle using this section of chain so it would just hang off the wrist. And this is pretty. And I can just see myself on a summer day out wearing this. And even if I go to a bridal shower, something like that, I think this is cute. And the different section of chain, it just moves and flows on its own, and it'll twist and turn on its own. So it just gives you all different kinds of shapes and looks and design. But this is what I made with that. And of course, you just got to have your earrings. And again, I used a section of the round loop chain here, and I tried to pull in the same type beads, well, the same beads as the bracelet, and I think I did a pretty good job. I matched it pretty good. Can you hear the horn being tooted? Toot toot. So these are the two pieces that I made, and I used that color cube to come up with it. Now this was just me, and if I did it wrong, I'm so sorry, but I think I got it right. But I really like this. I would have never, ever, ever, ever put these colors together. You're gonna put a charcoal color and the blues and the lilac and the mint gray, and this is pretty. The color is very, very nice, and it looks good on me. Don't you think it look good? Nails polished. Yeah, this is pretty. Okay, that is it for me. I wanted to try and keep this under 7 minutes, and I think I've done it. So, oh, and don't forget to go back and look at everybody else designs. I am really, really anxious to see what everybody else came up with, and if I didn't do it right, hopefully I can see what everybody else is doing, jump on board, and get in line with everybody else. But look at the other participants, and their information is in the description below this video. I mean, if you're a YouTuber, you know where all that good stuff is. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and see how I improve this year. I'm really excited about it. All right, y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. And I'm going to go get myself a cup of coffee. I'm cold.